Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Penton Family Compound. Well, I'm doing a little finish up project here on the patio here. Something that'll help make it last longer and keep me from having problems, in the future here. So what I'm doing is, let me grab one of these here. I'm putting in some Self Leveling Sealant. And I've used this stuff in California quite a bit, and it works great, and so I'm going to be using it here a little bit more extensively than I did there. Let me show you what I've done already. So the gap next to the house here, I made sure the contractors put a bevel on it back there, and so basically there's a groove back there, and I've been filling it in with the self-leveling sealant. And then I came across here and I put it in the joint they put in. Now here you can see it's seeping down into the crack, and so I'm going to add a little bit more here to bring it back up level. Now exactly what sort of crack am I talking about? Well, let's go over here and look at this one here. This is the expansion crack. As you can see, as the concrete expands and contracts, that crack there widens and narrows. So I'm going to put the self-leveling sealant in there, and it stays soft for a while, and it levels itself down, and it goes down into the cracks so that water can't get in there and cause damage by expanding and contracting during freezes, and that dirt and seeds can't get in there, so weeds can't grow in there and cause problems as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get the next one here ready, and then we're going to go ahead and fill some of these up here. So let's hang on a second here. And so I got it in my gun here, and rather than using the attachment here that comes with it, to poke the holes in it, I got some heavy duty wire to do that with. But first I need to cut the angle tip on here. Get out my Harbor Freight Wonder knife here. So there's my opening. Now inside it's got a foil sealant across it, so I need to puncture that. And what I do is I go in and out several times here as I work my way around, so as it pokes holes all the way around the opening so it flows evenly out there. There we go. Alright, so let's get over here on this other one and we'll see how it works here. Alright, let's see if I can get the camera set up here right for it. Alright. Start back up here where I left off. Okay, you can't quite see the beginning, a couple 6 inches here, so give me a second to catch up here to the opening. Now it first goes down, you can see that there are bumps here, but already it's starting to smooth out and level out. Since I got a big gap here, I'm going to bulge it up a little bit higher, and hopefully it'll all flow down into the cracks there. This is another reason for having a good set of knee pads. Now I'm not just putting a little bit down in the bottom, I'm filling it up pretty good because A, it's going to settle some down into the crack, but B, I don't want to put just a little bit in there and have water get in the gap down here and spread it a little bit and cause problems. I want to seal it up good so I don't have to worry about that in the winter time. Okay, and that is the end of that tube. Alright. So as you can see, it's flowing down even. It's flowing sideways a little bit out that crack there, which I'll do later. But yeah, it's flowing down in good, and it'll flow into that crack. So, put this over here. So that's what I'm working on right now today. I misjudged about it. I knew I was going to have to get more than what I did, but I got 5 tubes. I got one more tube left, and so I got from the corner of the house down to the corner there. I have one completed there, just a little bit shot in that one there, and this one here almost done here. So the next tube will finish off the other crack and the end of this crack, and then I'll need to go, probably seeing how much I've used here, I'll probably need to get a case, a full case of it, 12 of them, just to go across and get the majority of it. I may need a case and a half or 2 cases. We'll see what it turns out to. So yes, it's summertime. It'll be up in the 93 in the shade, which means there'll be probably about 105, 110 out in the sun. So even though it's hot and stuff, it's still the time to get ready for winter, because winter will be upon us faster than we realize. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep getting ready for the future, adding to your preps. Work on the yards, get stuff going. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.